Hello everyone, don't always deep fry or braise your chicken drumsticks. Today I'm sharing a special Cantonese dish, scallion oil chicken drumsticks. They're crispy skinned, tender and incredibly fragrant, perfect with rice. Add half a spoon of flour to the chicken drumsticks. Then rub the drumsticks with your hands for 2 minutes. The flour effectively absorbs any impurities and blood from the chicken skin. This ensures the chicken drumsticks are thoroughly clean and safe to eat. Now add clean water and wash the drumsticks until the water runs clear. Once washed, remove the chicken drumsticks and place them into the pot. Add some ginger slices and scallions. Also, add 3 bay leaves, a small piece of cinnamon and some peppercorns. Then, a splash of cooking wine to remove any gamey odor. Pour in enough water to cover the drumsticks and bring to a boil over high heat. Once boiling, skim off any foam from the surface. This foam is blood from the chicken, which can be quite gamey. After skimming, cover the pot and simmer on low heat for 20 minutes. Next, prepare 20 grams of ginger cut into small cubes. Place them on a plate, chop several cloves of garlic. Slice 1 section of green onion. Cut half an onion into chunks. Once cut, separate them and set aside on a plate. Next, add a generous amount of peanut oil to the wok. Once the oil is hot, add the chopped ginger, garlic, green onion, and onion. Fry over low heat to release their fragrance. Remember, don't use high heat, or they'll burn easily. Fry for about 5 minutes until the ingredients are dried out and lightly golden. Once done, scoop out the fried aromatics. Then pour the scallion oil into a bowl. This scallion oil is incredibly fragrant, perfect for dressing cold dishes or noodles. Our chicken drumsticks are now cooked. Remove them from the pot. Then place the drumsticks into cold boiled water. If you have some, you can add a few ice cubes. Soaking the chicken in cold water ensures the skin stays crispy and the meat tender. Let them soak for about 10 minutes. Now let's prepare the sauce. Add 2 spoons of light soy sauce to a bowl. Add half a spoon of oyster sauce. Then 2 spoons of the scallion oil we just made. Stir it evenly with a spoon, allowing the flavors to fully combine. The deliciousness of this scallion oil chicken truly depends on this essential sauce. Once mixed, set it aside. Let's chop some more green onions. Slice 3 small chili peppers into rings. Omit them if you don't like spice. Once chopped, add them to the sauce bowl. And stir again until well combined. Next, let's prepare a cucumber. First, slice it. Then cut it into shreds. Adding cucumber makes it even more refreshing and cuts through richness. Once cut, transfer it to a plate. By now, our chicken drumsticks have cooled. Use your hands to remove the bones. Then, shred the chicken meat into small pieces. This helps it absorb the flavor better. Arrange the shredded chicken evenly over the cucumber shreds. Pour the prepared scallion oil sauce over the chicken. Wow, it smells incredibly fragrant. Just looking at it makes my mouth water. A delicious scallion oil chicken is now ready. It's appetizing, satisfying, and truly enjoyable to eat. Every time guests come over, I make this dish, and everyone who tries it praises it endlessly. If you like my video, please remember to like, comment, and share. Thank you for your support.